At the heart of quality craftsmanship lies the rich heritage of Marples woodworking tools. Originating in 1828 in Sheffield, England, the Marples brand has consistently stood for superior performance and ultimate precision in fine woodworking. Today, IRWIN continues the tradition of quality with the introduction of the Marples Woodworking Series saw blades. These blades are specifically engineered for extended life, flawless finish, and ultimate precision. Made in Italy, IRWIN uses only the highest quality materials, highly automated processes, and state-of-the-art manufacturing technology. The IRWIN Marples Woodworking Series saw blades feature resharpenable, oversized carbide teeth for long life and are precision tension for flawless cuts. They also feature a heat-resistant non-stick coating that reduces gumming for easy cleanup and truer, cleaner cuts.
I would definitely recommend the Marples brand. You're going to sharpen these blades less. They don't tend to gum up as quick as some of the others that I've noticed, and it's a high-quality product that you can depend on day in, day out.
The nice thing about this, it is a pretty clean cut on wood. I can switch right over to aluminum, cut it, saves me time, gets the job done quicker.
If I see Marples on a saw blade, I'm thinking I better try that blade. Marples just stands for quality tools.
Designed with the quality craftsmanship that has been consistently associated with Marples woodworking tools since its origin in 1828, the new Marples Woodworking Series saw blades stand for superior performance and deliver the flawless finish true craftsmen demand.